Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authenticator on Epic Games. So once you're inside Epic Games, just simply click your profile on the upper right hand side and go down to where it says account. Now this is going to take you over to your account section, and on the left hand side you want to look for password and security. Click there, and here you'll find the two-factor authentication. All right, so by default you have emails, and basically you will see what you have here. Now you will probably have email, and I would say by default you have two-factor authentication most likely will be set up, because how it actually works is that when you try to sign in, you will enter your email address and your password, and then it will basically ask you to get a code, and that code basically you can find in your email, and you'll be able to get that security code. And after enter, for example, this security code here, you can easily enter your account. You can also set up other options as well. So here you have other two-factor authentication option as well. You can set up, for example, SMS, that you will receive the code by SMS, or you can even use the Authenticator app, so you'll enter that code from the Authenticator app as well. So this is how you can easily do that, guys. Very easy and very simple. Just need to go ahead and choose whichever option you want, and once you, for example, select the email, you can choose your country code, enter your email, click continue and proceed, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.